School Freeware's Word 2007 Tutorials. Tutorial 4. Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. Normally at the top of Word you will find the Quick Access Toolbar seen here. And the nice thing about the Quick Access Toolbar is that it's independent of the ribbon. So no matter what I have clicked on here on the ribbon, the Quick Access Toolbar stays the same. So you can put your frequently used commands up here in the Quick Access Toolbar, and that way you don't have to hunt around through the ribbon to find them. Adding commands to the Quick Access Toolbar is very simple. All you have to do is click on this little down arrow, and first of all we have some frequently used commands that Microsoft has put in front of us. So if I want to add something like new, all I have to do is click on it, and new is added to the Quick Access Toolbar. So anything checked is added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to do open, it's now added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to take open away, all I have to do is click on it and it's unchecked now and it's removed from the Quick Access Toolbar. I'll remove new and the toolbar is now set back to the normal default position. I can add some more commands simply by right mouse clicking on the command I want to add from the ribbon. In this case I'll just add italics, and when I right mouse click I'll hit this little dialog box pop up and it says here add to Quick Access Toolbar, so I'll click on that and italics is now added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to add bold, I'll just right mouse click and click on add to Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to do something like maybe under review and add the translator, I'll just right mouse click and add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now with this in particular case, you won't see them in this little menu when I click on it. You'll have to right mouse click on the icon itself and select remove from Quick Access Toolbar, and now the translator is removed from the Quick Access Toolbar, and I'll go ahead and remove bold and italics, and now the Quick Access Toolbar is set back to the default setting. One more way of adding to the Quick Access Toolbar, I'll just click on this down arrow and I'll go to more commands. And inside more commands we have here all the popular commands that Microsoft set for us. And if you can't find one in the popular commands, it's also set by the categories, so you have the Home tab, Insert tab, and so on. And if you don't know where it is on the tab itself, you can go to all commands, and inside you'll have all these commands to add to the Quick Access Toolbar. So here for example I can add, I'll just grab a couple of them. I'll just say header row and I'll put that in by clicking on add. Grow font, I'll add that one. Gradient, go ahead with that. Font color, I'll add. To remove them, all I have to do is click on which one I want to remove and just click on the button remove, and it goes back and it's now removed from the Quick Access Toolbar. I can move the commands into different places, so grow front will be on the left side of the toolbar, and I can move undo all the way so it's at the very right of the toolbar. I'll just click on OK, and you'll see that now the toolbar here has the commands just as I told it to have. What I'll do now is, instead of going to more commands, I'll go to the same location, but in this time I'll use the Office button, click on Word Options, and under Customize we have the same window we had before for customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. Now I'd like to show you this one here called Reset. If I click on Reset and click on Yes, it goes back to the default setting. So no matter what you do, if you really mess up the Quick Access Toolbar, just go into the Customize of Word Options and click on Reset and it'll go back to the default setting. I'll click on OK and you'll see now it's back to the default. There's a few other settings that I'd like to show you here within the Quick Access Toolbar. One is Show Below Ribbon, and now the Quick Access Toolbar is below the ribbon. If I go ahead and click on Show Above Ribbon, it goes back to the top. If you're unhappy with that, you can just go ahead and toggle it by clicking on this area on the quick access toolbar menu. Also, we have minimize the ribbon. If I click on minimize the ribbon, and it really doesn't totally go away. If I just click on one of the tabs, the ribbon will come back.